So you're welcome to the channel EduMath Hub. So we have another question here from LAUTECH UTME. It's a question from 2008. Okay, question 8. So we are told that if log to base 2 of 3y squared plus 8y minus 1 is equals to 1, to evaluate y. So this is a logarithmic equation. Okay, that's an equation that is based on logarithm. So the first thing to do, you have to remove the logarithm. Okay, you have to convert it to index form. And to do that, you first of all write log. To do that, first of all, write log to base 2 of 3y squared plus 8y minus 1 is equals to 1. So after that, you convert to the index form. Now how we do that? It's very straightforward. You just use this 2 to raise this 1. Okay, so you just do 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 1. If you do that, the logarithm sign will disappear. So you have 3y squared plus 8y minus 1. So I can rewrite this as in bring interchanging both sides. So that will be, to make it look simpler, 3y squared plus 8y minus 1 is equals to 2 raised to the power 1, which is equals to 2. 2 raised to the power 1 is the same as 2. Okay, so I can just write equals to 2 here. Then from there, collect the like terms. Okay, if you take the like terms, you have 3y squared plus 8y minus 1. I'm bringing this 2 here to the, so that minus 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. That will give you 3y squared plus 8y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now this equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, so you have to solve it for y. So the first thing to do is you multiply these two together, these two terms, multiply them together. That will give you minus 9. That's in 3 times minus 3, that will give you minus 9. Then you look for two numbers that if you add those, if you multiply those two numbers, you get 9, and if you add or subtract, you get 8. So it's very straightforward. You see that those two numbers are 9 and 1. Okay, so you have 9 times 1, 9, then 9 minus 1 will give you 8. So this is 9 is the bigger number. Okay, so it's going to be plus sign. I'm going to take a plus because the middle term here is plus, so it's going to take a plus. Then this one is going to take minus. Why? Because plus times minus is minus. So you give the bigger number the sign of the middle term, which is plus. Then plus times minus give to the smaller one. So you don't write 8y again. You're going to write 9 and 1 there. So if you write this, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like 3y squared plus, now I have 8y. I won't write 8y. I'm going to write 9y. Then I have minus 3. I'm going to write minus 1, but minus 1 is out minus y. Okay, so minus 3 is equals to 0. Then from here you can now factorize it. So you group them together and factorize. So let's group them together. So you group it like this. You group them together. So you group it like this and like this. So yeah, 3y is common. So you bring your 3y out. So you're factorizing, you'll give you y plus 3y 9y. I'll give you 3. Yeah, you can see that nothing is actually common. Okay, but if nothing is common, just pick 1. Then you have y. Then minus times minus will give you plus 3 is equals to 0. So to know that you're correct, the terms in the bracket will be the same. So you have y plus 3, y plus 3. So it means that you're actually correct. So you just pick one of them. That will be y plus 3. Then you pick the outer one, this one and this one. Pick this one together. That will be 3y minus 1. Then equals to 0. Then you're going to have two answers. So you're going to have two answers. So the first answer will be, they're going to be either y plus 3 is equals to 0 or 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. From here y is take plus 3 to this side, that will give you minus 3. That will be first answer. Or from here, take 1 to that side, that will be 3y is equals to 1, and divide both side by 3. So if you divide both side by 3, you see here will give you y is equals to 3 cut 3, okay, 1 over 3. So the answers for y, two answers or two values for y are y equals to minus 3 or y equals to 1 over 3. So that's the solution. So let's move to the next question. If you are just joining us, please like and subscribe, okay, please, it keeps us going. Share the channel to your friends, okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.